Yes, welcome to Bikes of Rye. Out today running my S1000R in. But first of all, I need to fill it up with fuel for the very first time actually. I've drained all the fuel out that was courtesy of the dealership. I had a full tank. And on the range, I've got 16 miles remaining. Now the thing is, I'm not looking forward to this because fuel prices at the moment are out of this world. I'm going to use Supreme 99 because I like to use the good stuff in my motorcycles. Let's have a laugh at what we're paying per litre. 179.9. Christ. Okay, full tank. 12 litres? It's got to be more than that. Apparently this is a 16 litre tank. Well, what we got? 13 litres. That don't seem right, does it? Are we sure this is a 16 litre tank? Anyway, what's more alarming is it's costing me £23. Oh my god. Gone are the days when it used to cost like £15 for a full tank. I am actually in full leathers today. The suit is on. And I suspect I look rather flash in white and black leathers against a red and black BMW S1000R. So what an absolute beauty of a day to be out riding about. Showing 13 degrees on the dash. Feels warm enough to me. And it's nice to see because being March, you don't expect weather as good as this, to be honest. So I am very fortunate, very grateful, because it allows me to ride my brand new bike. Because how, you know, annoyed would you be if you just picked up a brand new bike and then the weather turned you know, bad, and then you couldn't get out and ride it. You'd be itching to ride your bike, obviously. Actually, I did end up picking this bike up in the rain. Infuriating. But I didn't have far to go. I got the bike home and cleaned it all straight back up again. But yeah, now I can actually enjoy it. And saying that, also I have the bike covered in PPF. If you don't know what PPF is, it stands for paint protection film. I'll link a video on the screen for you now. Check out one of my other videos to see that more in detail. But ultimately, I'm protected from stone chips. I also fitted my radiator guards as well. So yeah, I can ride around, peace of mind that my bike isn't going to get that damaged. This is my absolute pride and joy when I get a bike, and I want to care for it as much as my girlfriend, maybe more than my girlfriend, but let's not tell her that. Knock it down some gears, fourth, lean over, it's just, oh my god, it just makes me chuckle because it's so easy, so much power. Let's pop it down into third. Oh Jesus, Lord have mercy on my soul. Oh, but my favourite part of this bike has to be the chassis. It's the chassis, the way it makes you feel. So yeah, I really want to wring its neck. Of course, I've got a hard limiter on it because we are running the bike in. And I wonder what your feelings are. Drop a comment below and let me know how you feel about running a bike in. Should you properly ride it? You know, obviously you have to bear in mind, keep it warm, you know, warm the bike up properly and what have you, and not necessarily bounce it off a limiter, but I feel like the way I'm riding it today and just sort of using the torque and the mid-range, I feel that's acceptable, isn't it? Some argue though you can you know, ride it like you stole it, and apparently doing so means the bike produces more power. What a machine. What a machine. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just me, but when I jump on this, and it's why I could not stop thinking about it when I test rode it, was how comfortable I am on it. I just, for me, I don't know, everything, the ergonomics, the handlebars, seat position, the pegs, the weight, the power. For me, my body weight as well, I think, you know, the size of the bike, my height, all of these kind of things, I don't know why, it just feels beautiful underneath me. And maybe BMW have tuned it in such a way, the chassis I mean, to, you know, because BMW focus on how, you know, their cars make you feel. Like they you know, they like to shout about how they're the ultimate driving machine, and I've owned a BMW and I have to say they are a fantastic driver's car. And so now owning a motorcycle by BMW, I feel like they've really put a lot of effort into how the bike makes you feel. And it does, it really shows. Like a bullet, like an absolute bullet, mate. And I've flicked over to this dash layout now, and it gives me my lean angles, and apparently I've leant as far as 37 degrees to the right and only 30 to the left. I'm going to have to improve on that. Oh yes, to the left, to the right, to the left. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Well, I've just arrived at the Super Sausage on my beautiful BMW S1000R. What a fantastic ride over here. I'm about to get myself a coffee, so I'm going to end the motor vlog here. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know with a thumbs up, and I hope to see you on another one very soon. Thanks for watching. See you later.